Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about how to solve common embroidery machine problems. Embroidery machines are essential tools for creating beautiful, intricate designs on fabric. However, like any sophisticated equipment, they can occasionally run into problems that hinder productivity and quality. Understanding and resolving these issues is vital for smooth operations and to avoid downtime. This guide provides insights into common embroidery machine problems and practical solutions, ensuring that your machine performs optimally. 1. Thread breakage issues. Thread breakage is a common frustration in embroidery. It can result from poor quality thread, incorrect threading, or tension problems. Solution: always use high-quality threads designed for embroidery. Ensure the machine is threaded correctly, following the manufacturer's guidelines. Check the thread tension settings and adjust them as needed. Regularly clean the tension discs to prevent dirt and lint buildup. 2. Needle problems. Needles are crucial in embroidery, and issues such as bent, dull, or incorrectly installed needles can disrupt stitching. Solution: regularly inspect the needle for wear and replace it after every 8-10 hours of use. Use the correct needle type and size for your fabric and thread. Ensure the needle is inserted correctly and tightened securely. 3. Skipped stitches. Skipped stitches can ruin the appearance of a design and are often caused by improper needle use, incorrect fabric selection, or hooping issues. Solution: verify that you are using the right needle and thread combination for your project. Make sure the fabric is securely hooped and stabilized properly. Check for loose or damaged needle clamps and tighten them if necessary. 4. Tension imbalance. Uneven stitching or puckering is frequently the result of tension imbalances in the upper thread or bobbin. Solution: adjust the upper thread tension and test on a scrap piece of fabric before starting your design. Inspect the bobbin tension and ensure the bobbin is wound evenly. Clean the bobbin case regularly to remove lint and debris. 5. Thread nesting or bird nesting. Thread tangling under the fabric can cause a mess and damage your machine. Solution: check that the machine is threaded correctly and the presser foot is lowered before stitching. Inspect for loose threads in the bobbin area and remove them. Clean and oil the machine as recommended by the manufacturer. 6. Hooping problems. Improperly hooped fabric can result in misaligned designs, puckering, or fabric damage. Solution: ensure the fabric is taut and evenly stretched within the hoop. Use appropriate stabilizers for the fabric type and design complexity. Avoid over-tightening the hoop as it can damage the fabric. 7. Software and design errors. Incorrectly digitized designs or incompatible software can lead to embroidery issues. Solution: use professional digitizing software to create or edit designs, ensuring they are optimized for the fabric and thread. Verify the file format compatibility with your embroidery machine. Perform a test run before working on the final fabric. 8. Regular maintenance. Neglecting routine maintenance can lead to mechanical issues and reduced machine lifespan. Solution: clean the machine thoroughly after each use, focusing on the bobbin area and thread paths. Fill the machine as per the manufacturer's instructions to ensure smooth operation. Schedule professional servicing annually to address any hidden issues. Conclusion: embroidery machines are complex tools that require proper care and troubleshooting to function efficiently. By addressing common problems like thread breakage, skipped stitches, and tension imbalances, you can maintain high-quality output and minimize downtime. Regular maintenance and attention to detail ensure your machine stays in top condition, empowering you to create stunning embroidery designs effortlessly. If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.